Secure information technology implementation encompasses the process that happens after a business purchases a solution. Analyzing requirements, installation, configuration, and customization needs kicks off the process. Testing and running the solution, system integrations, training, and delivery are key to sound deployment. An implementation plan should be used to outline the steps to achieve business objectives. Implementation plans vary based on the product, but typically include goals, objectives, scope statement, resource plan, risk analysis, and a timeline. Project management tools, roles and responsibilities, and a statement of work are also essential. There is no reason to place a multi-billion-dollar business at risk by the poor selection of IT solutions. Building a secure implementation plan involves contract negotiation, key stakeholders, timeline, scope, goal definition, continuous improvement, testing, training, and review. End user participation in the implementation increases alignment with business objectives, priorities, and preferences. User acceptance testing lets clients test products alongside professional testers to ensure the product is what users want. There is often a communication gap between users and designers. User system expectations must be met, but designers face various restrictions, efficiencies, management principles, and limitations. Missed deadlines, exceeding budget, underestimating man hours, unexpected delays, external partner dependencies, and loss of support from key stakeholders create issues with the implementation. Do you know why your business is purchasing new information systems and how they will be protected? The objective of each IT project needs to be clearly defined. A project sponsor helps define key deliverables before the project starts. The project team may document technical specifications for a new solution or go to experts in the market with a request for information and request for proposal. Understanding the current system configuration and functionality aids in accurate planning. Project feasibility and expected return on investment. A project charter should be developed and signed by all key stakeholders to keep everyone on the same page. The document usually includes objectives and deliverables, in-scope items, exclusions, assumptions, timelines, stakeholders, project meetings, change, risk, issue, and lessons learned logs. Projects centered within virtual environments make it easier for IT professionals to add new machines and leverage the security benefits. Updating to the latest version of the operating system, the latest application patch levels, and disabling default accounts are some security considerations. Audit trail requirements and default event log limitations may call for using third-party tools to bolster protections. Information technology project teams zoom in on new features and capabilities, so someone must join the conversation with a security perspective. Software licensing agreements and license keys are recommended to be stored in a central location for reference. Secure baseline configuration of new products and services establish a dependable starting point. Penetration and vulnerability testing validate technology resources are protected. Data corruption or malicious behavior may ruin the efforts to implement a new solution on time and within budget. System backups are essential to recover from a malicious attack or a data loss event. Is your critical business data protected and authentic on all resources? Updates to the organization's backup schedule must include the new system. What is the impact of malicious code being replicated between data centers, and how will the team restore data? Cybersecurity teams have to make sure the restoration of unencrypted backups does not expose sensitive data to unauthorized people. Operating systems are monitored for successful and failed login attempts, login patterns, password policy alignment, file and folder changes. Conducting end-to-end interface compatibility, stress, volume, and performance testing will simulate challenges in the live environment. Application testing on different operating systems and devices pinpoints significant advantages and problems to fix. Depending on the organization's primary operating system, testing LDAP integration will verify any potential negative impact. Masking and restricting access to sensitive data during testing is a common best practice. Following the security test, destroying copies of business information and revoking access is mandatory. Lessons learned and the disaster recovery plan should be updated to include the new solution. Forbes highlights 5 essential strategies for a successful technology integration. Optimize before you automate. Evaluate your specific needs. Choose a tool in alignment with your goals. Engage with stakeholders and make a timeline. Key milestones, timelines, and responsibilities are required to track progress and the success of an implementation. Leadership alignment, stakeholder engagement, change management, clear communication, training and skill development, solution testing, change impact assessment, user feedback, incentives, recognition, and a change roadmap are all great business tools. A secure project implementation takes a well-executed plan, effective deployment, and utilization of cybersecurity solutions within the business. The usual winners in technology implementation involve a variety of key elements in their planning. The new system integration must match the overarching business objectives and strategies. Solving a specific problem, improving efficiency, and achieving a competitive advantage are often the main reasons to take action. Cybersecurity professionals exceed the expectations of end users, management, and external partners when factoring in defense mechanisms from project initiation. Establishing realistic timelines helps eliminate delays that could affect standard operations and competitive advantages in their industry. Through it all, companies must maintain within budget so financial resources are not strained. Any new IT solution should function as intended and offer reliable and secure environment to conduct business. Future growth and changes in requirements demand the hottest technology available on the market. Scalability and flexibility concerns are frequently presented when reviewing potential options. Information security experts add value by mitigating risk and developing contingency plans